We're going to talk about the vocabulary, and especially I wanted to focus on four kind of four types of verbs. We have last, spend, pass, and take. So usually we can see last weekend I went to cinema, but notice last is also a verb and it means durare. For instance, we use last to say how long something goes on for. The film lasts for an hour. So in this case, last. The film lasts for an hour. Or we can also say driving lessons usually lasts. No, driving lessons usually last without s for about an hour. So what about spend? If you spend time doing something, you do it from the beginning to the end of the time. You spend all day planning the trip. Or we can also say, I spent last weekend camping with friends. Next. What about pass? The verb pass refers to time going by. Time passes quickly when you're enjoying yourself. So perhaps I can say, I passed 3 hours writing the report for today's meeting. Last one, take. If something takes time, you need that amount of time to do it. It may take us several weeks. Several. Remember, when you have several, you need to put plural after several. So in this case, s. We can say, if travel during the rush hour, it takes me an hour to get to the city center.